Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. In this video, I'm going to cover QOF data, stands for Quality and Outcomes Framework. We have data for the English NHS, the Northern Irish NHS, and the Welsh NHS. Our customers haven't requested the Scottish NHS data. I suspect that that's because they stopped recording anything to do with QOF after the 2015-16 output. But we can add that if anyone wants us to. So there's a whole range of metrics with this data, and I'm just going to have a look at them now. You'd want to go to these websites to get much more detailed information about the data, because we've got PDFs and all sorts. And also I should point out that we do keep a copy of the files that we import along with any PDFs related to it, and we will be doing an API where you can actually just enter in the API relating to the data we've just downloaded, and that will download all the files relating to that particular one. So like this one, Epilepsy Northern Ireland, this ID here, 143786, would relate to that file, and you'd download the PDFs and Excel files that we downloaded for it. But that's not live yet. If anyone wants us to do that, please ask, because no one's actually asked for it yet, but it's a plan anyway. Right, so what sort of data have we got? Well, there's an awful lot of data. This is a nightmare of a data set. Goes quite large. If you just, I'm just going to scroll down so you can see. So there's most of it. If I press the page down one, there's a bunch more down to about there. So if you just pause the video and have a look yourself, probably the best way. Meantime, I will now have a little query of a few. So well, I just did the epilepsy one. What else? Learning disability Northern Ireland. Randomly picking one here. So you've got the indicator names. They're very similarly designed. There's nice flat CSV files, and you've just got the measure values. What else? Patient experience. Northern Ireland. Indicator name, measure name, that sort of thing. And if I just do a little distinct. So you can see sort of how detailed this randomly picked table is. So you can see that kind of stuff. All sorts. I just happened to pick on Northern Ireland there, but you know we've got, as I said, Wales and England in there. I can't really go on more and more about this because really from this point on you'll just want to go to the website, and that's where the best place to get information, I guess. So I'll just leave it there. At least now you know it's in there. Thanks very much.